Hi, I hope you are doing well today. In this video, I'm going to show you Dr. Donald Voth. He is a retired sociology professor. A long time ago, he lived in Vietnam, specifically in the Central Highlands in Ban Ma Thuột with the Rade people. He talks about how he helped the Rade people who had leprosy. And despite the fact that he hasn't been with them for many, many years, he can still speak the language. And I am quite impressed with his ability to speak the Rade language. Also, in the video, he talks about how he helped the Rade that had leprosy, and also how the Rade speakers explain the symptoms. So I hope you enjoy watching this video. It'd be great if you can introduce yourself in a day language.
Okay.
That would be really interesting.
Sanan anan kau dan voth lak kau dokter Vietnam arang pia me I wakla amai ne amai for the nurses and I for the men. Now that's an honorary title because I is also IDA for God.
Yeah.
But anyway, anan kau Idan arang pia kau now
Idan.
Idan kau dung mak brak to ti bun na ma sang drau ka manuis japung ma sabo sang drau lehanan ma sabun kam manuis japung biada jing de manuis japung aran brain you dok giam kira aran brain you ma drau na now lem you ma lot ma manuis lam bun din you kabui lot mouth with japung tanan may ma drau hong edeh now tibun lehanan bitum hong din you at rat pung lambun biada brand new ma drau grab tun sablu elau hin katru leh katru arang bihari ham me lam klede lehanan now ti mobile clinic kapung japung arang chang tao ya anok lam slem le arang luch leh klay dui tao tasang ma sanam kuira arang chang tao nyum lich ma khai sanan sa klay bra kama lao jai jin sa ma manoik
Kinh Tông.
Dokong aran you are feather lehanan emu itama sanan aran you draw on mokla wa rat mar ji asem leg no munakane do ta ya anok you clay rock not leg la ya anok kama bi lehanan pungnan you Louis, you know, what is a shoe? You know,
The cock in
yeah,
giraffe, the cock.
So then you about lam chung, and then you ma clear rock lam chung. Today you japung you ma do tao. So then may bre, ucha for bit lu dai.
Okay, if you like this video, please share it with others so they can also enjoy it, learn about Dr. Donald Voth, and also the Rade people. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.